Moving Godino, address the issues being raised there by both Mr. Singhdeo as well as Praveen Chakravarti. And, forget whether it's an opposition ruled state or a BJP ruled state. At the end of the day, state governments need to look at their own, coffers as well as and their own balance sheets. So given that, do you believe that it would make sense and it would in fact be necessary for the compensation obligation to continue beyond July of 2022?
So see, everybody is making a case, and all. Yeah, Shireen, if you know the facts, and as my good friends who expressed their sentiments before me, they must realize one thing. In the GST Council, 99% of the meetings were taken by consensus with the involvement of everybody. And there were people from the ruling opposition, from all sorts of political opinion. So it is only now, after perhaps some people have tasted success and politically they are from different parties, the thinking seems to be changing. But I want to say one thing here. When it comes to the economics of the country, when it comes to looking as the country as a whole, the GST, the very fact that the collections, though it is not the trend which perhaps will continue, as of April, even in COVID times, 1,44,000 crore collection itself shows very vividly that per se it is working. But do we forget that we are in very difficult times, pandemic times, the whole economy as a whole has suffered, and when there is a crisis, when there is a shortfall in revenue, then this type of finger pointing and trying to put the blame on certain things is not going to help anybody. In the federal structure, even in matters related to finances, all of us will have to put our heads together as we have done in the past, and that's how there were decisions by consensus. We will have to work out solutions. And is it not the case that we have, even when there was a shortfall, that we ultimately managed to borrow, center managed to make accept Formula 1, which most of us accepted option 1, and money was there which was coming. Now, whether the cess is going to continue beyond 22, it is for all the GST Council to decide, all of us jointly to decide. It's not that the center per se will say, no, it has to continue, it has not to continue. All of us will collectively decide. So let us decide collectively. That is my take on that.